We've got a proper mess here. We've broken these boards and had a couple fall out of the back. The slats there. Tree work is tough on trailers. Using the Tex 2 3/4 self-tapping to hold down these boards. I've already replaced this entire deck one time, and these are what I used to hold them down last time as well. I didn't opt to replace these entire boards this time, simply due to the fact that lumber is crazy right now. All right, we need a piece to go across the back here and tie in the dovetail. And that piece needs to be approximately 79 inches. We'll say 79 1/4. We're going to try to take a piece of metal out of the housing from an old washer that we've got and use that for the piece that used to be diamond plate back here that got bent up and destroyed years ago. Alright, we've got a sheet to work with now. And you can see this is also the one that I took the piece out of to fix the top of the jack on the same trailer. So now we just need to slice this up into strips so that we can put it on there and hold the dovetail down. You're going through 2 pieces of metal there. screws in here so that you don't get like wonky. Yeah. Got the bit on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Push.
This thing is so much fun. I did it. It's wrong.
No, you didn't slow the drill down and you blew right through the holding wood you had. Turn your power down on your drill. Oh, you done it now.
No. Almost.
Right here. Tack down.
Oh, I still need to put screws there.
Yep. But I want you to tack down that top piece too. Alright, that ought to do it. We'll hit this other to taper it down a little bit with the flap disc, and that should pretty well have her.
Is it just needing to support these points here?
Yes.
Okay, so being about an inch away from that channel would be okay?
I want it as close to that channel as you can get it.
Okay.
because the channel's what's supporting the other side,
Yeah.
and so I want them like as close to the end of the board as you can get it to support, the stronger it's going to be. But we're gonna tack it from the bottom first, and then we're gonna bite back through it from the top.
And every board.
Yeah, so it'll be sucked in from the top and the bottom to that board.
Just do a few on the bottom or something.
No, do several on the bottom, and then we'll do several on the top.
Okay.
Have you even gotten the screws yet?
No.
Okay.
I don't even know what screws you want me to use.
Yeah, you'll have to use fairly long ones to go through far enough.
Yeah. Are you looking for Dad?
Yeah.
I don't know where he is.
Just running water.
He's working with chemicals and stuff, so.
Well, you never said nothing this morning. Just fucking disappeared out here for fucking ever. So I need to order some fucking groceries.
How's that look?
That looks pretty good. That ought to work. Got this all secured here. Got that done. Those boards are patched in. Definitely not the prettiest, but it should be functional. And it was materials we had on hand, so that should work.